How to reactivate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can reactivate your Facebook account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to reactivate your Facebook account, what you need to do is to go ahead and simply open up the Facebook application. Now let's say you tried to delete your account before or deactivate it. You can simply reactivate it by trying to log into that same account again, but keep in mind that if you try to delete your account before and it has already been past 30 days that you've not tried to restore or reactivate your account, it is most likely that your account could have already been permanently deleted. But if it's not within 30 days period of time, you can go ahead and reactivate your account anytime you wish. And also, if you deactivate it, you can also reactivate it anytime because there are no time limitations to deactivation process. So after we go ahead and open up Facebook, just go ahead and enter the credentials of the account that you would like to regain access to. So in this case, it's just any of the email addresses and the passwords that I have. Make sure to also enter your password as well. Now once you enter your email address as well as password of the account that you're trying to reactivate, you can just try to log into that account normally as you wish, and sometimes it may ask you for a little pop-up that says do you want to reactivate your account, but if not, you will directly be logged into your account without any type of confirmation or anything. As you can see over here, we have been successfully logged into our account. Now you can use Facebook as you successfully wish, and this is simply how you can go ahead and then reactivate your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave the like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.